Hey there, I'm back in my son's room, which I designed in this video. He asked for a Batman themed room. We kind of went with a general superhero room, but I actually forgot one of the elements that I had for that design. So I bought this Batman decal, but I did never end up putting it on the wall. And then when I looked at it, I kind of realized that my design didn't really work with it on the yellow walls. The design is of a city line with the Bat logo spotlight going up. I was going to put it down there, but a yellow decal is not going to show up on a yellow wall, of course. I forgot about this element because I ordered it quite a bit in advance. So I'm just going to put it up now and show you how it goes and see if you like it. And if you do, I'll put the link in the description box below. And if you haven't seen the whole room makeover, don't forget to check that video out next. So I've already adhered a portion of it just to get the feel of how it goes. I have quite a few sections, but they're going to be too long for this door. So I'm going to have to actually trim off and leave out a few of the buildings. I think the main important thing is getting this kind of centered. So I'm just taking the sticker backing off and then lining it up with what I've already got on here. My one critique for this decal is that it did not come with a reference image in order to know what the best arrangement for the buildings was, so I ended up having to kind of squint at the Amazon product image and try to figure it out. So you can see that the height of this would match there, but I'm actually going to cheat and just join it here, overlapping just a smidge. Pressing it in with an upward and out motion. So I think the tedious part is going to be all of these window colors in there. Okay, so I'm just going to pick something that'll finish it off and let's see what that would be. I think this guy. Well, that part was easy enough. High impact. I really liked it. So let's get this yellow part going. So this is good at tying the yellow on the rest of the walls, I guess. I have a feeling this itty-bitty one's going to be a little bit harder. Maybe not. I guess I essentially bought a sticky puzzle. Like this. You know people are going to follow you. Let's see. Does it go straight up? Helper. Ooh, that was surprisingly easy. That was like the easiest part of all. What do you think? Do you like it? Does the bat dog approve? You're studying it. And since there was some leftover city line decal, I decided to incorporate it in a few other places around the room. On a diffuser nightlight that I actually bought to diffuse lavender while driving in the car to help with anxiety when I was struggling with that more, since it fits in the cup holder. I'll put a link to that in the description box below. And finally, on the light switch plate. A really great graphic, a little bit tedious to apply if you really want to get these lights in. You could probably leave them off and it would be a lot quicker and simpler, but it does tie in the yellow of the wall, which is very bright, so I really like that. So even though I was disappointed that I forgot about it for this wall, I think that it works out better this way. I don't think that it was that expensive. Like I said, I'll link it below if you're interested in adding something like this to your child's wall too. I'm formulating a plan for my 6-year-old daughter's room next. There's going to be a lot of girliness going on in there. I haven't quite figured it all out yet, but that's going to be coming up. I'm hoping to get to that by the end of the year. We'll see how the school year goes. Also, I'm kind of losing a lot of work time lately because of my PT for my shoulder every week, but we'll see when I get to it, and I'd love to show you how that turns out. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe below if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell so that you'll know when the next video is up. And if you're interested in hanging out some more, you can click on this video, thinks you might enjoy this video, and this is my most recent video. I hope you're doing well at home with your kids, and I'll see you in the next video. And more content like this. Love you too.